was lucky enough to have I don't know if you can see it, but a metal gasket for the J-pipe. So here's what I got going on. This is a 16G turbo that came out of a 2G Eclipse all-wheel drive. It's a really clean turbo. There's no shaft play. Here's the 14B that came out of the 92. As you can see, it's pretty beat up.
That's so ugly, man.
The reason why I'm showing you this is because I've got these hard lines that I want to remove and put onto this turbo. You know, ultimately I want to keep the Talon, the 1GB is OEM, as close to OEM as possible. So I started drifting away from that when I started considering the 20G option and external wastegate, and you know, that's the reason why I've got this and that. What I'm gonna do is take off this manifold so that I can remove the lines, get them swapped, put them back on. I'm gonna replace that gasket if need be. With that said, let's go ahead and get this removed and get this set up ready to go back into the 1GB. All right, so here's where I'm at, guys. I've been doing a little bit of housekeeping. Got the turbine housing all cleaned up. Got that flange all prepped and ready to go for the J-pipe. Here, I saw the gasket from the outside and it looked pretty even on both sides, that the possibility of there being some weird stamping issue was there, but in the back of my mind I thought it could be a crack too. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this gasket. All right, and finish cleaning up the turbo. I did take the wastegate off to get that all cleaned up too, but I just need to finish swapping the hard lines, finish cleaning the turbo up, and then putting it all back together and back in the Talon. So real quick, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Look at how clean that is. That should last for a while compared to the 14B. Yeah, the 14B's seen better days. So here's where I'm at, guys. I've got the wastegate cleaned up, retouched up the J-pipe. As you can see, I've got the cleaned up hard lines off the 14B. I was lucky enough to have I don't know if you can see it, but a metal gasket for the J-pipe. I've also got manifold to turbo gasket, O2 housing gasket. I was able to find another 2G manifold, so this one I'm going to use. It's a lot cleaner than the other one. Plus, I don't know if you noticed, but on the other manifold there was a tap for a EGT sensor. So I'm gonna get the manifold together on this, along with the aftermarket O2 housing with external dump. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get the camera set up so you can see me drop the turbo setup in. This is a multi-layer exhaust manifold gasket that I had sitting on the shelf. Always pays to sit on parts, right? pretty much got everything all set up in there. As you can see, I've cleaned it up. Looks much better than it did before. I just got to clean up some of the anti-seize that's top of the manifold there. I just need to go back through, torque down the nuts for the manifold. And the oil return line's already been torqued down. That's good to go. Banjo bolts have been torqued. Just need to connect that coolant line. Yeah, I don't dig the red on this either. I know that's probably what you guys are thinking. Anyways, guys, that is going to be it for me tonight. I'm going to go get some food, relax, and enjoy my Saturday evening. Peace out.